Initialize the agent with a simple prompt. Outline phase begins for tutorial structure. The agent searches for relevant files, focusing on the NarrateAI DemoMaker skill, then transitions into active analysis and planning. The agent explores the Odoo project structure, analyzing UI components and form behavior. It evaluates save conditions and transitions into narrative planning, composing a detailed tutorial script with grounding facts and session credentials. The agent outlines recording steps, UI selectors, and narration guidelines for the Odoo tutorial. Approve the plan by typing Go. With the plan approved, the agent presents pre-recording options including cinematic zoom and mode selection. The user chooses Full for a complete narrated video with cinematic mode on. Execution begins, video generation runs, and the final narrated tutorial is delivered.
Let's begin by logging into Odoo with your email address now. Completing the password allows Odoo to authenticate and grant access. Now, we move to the Contacts module. You'll see a list of existing contacts here. This view lets you quickly scan and select from your address book. Now, define a new contact. This form supports both individuals and companies. Enter details, then add relevant tags. Odoo now creates the contact. Now, locate NarrateAI Co. using the search bar above. Odoo quickly filters to display NarrateAI Co.